know. It's just fun to get together and try to throw together a boat and see if it'll float.
Oh, you guys are going to add some sides to this, right? Maybe.
Are you saying we need sides?
It's not for reinforcement, so it's not against the rules.
The genius of ours is we had no idea until we got here at 4 to figure out what in the heck we're going to do, right? We had no plan.
We just came and we got some cards.
We're just that talented.
I think the funnest part is watching them sing.